Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about something exciting, how to make money using ChatGPT. This AI tool isn't just for answering questions or writing essays. It can help you earn real money. In this video I want to share 5 smart ways to make money with ChatGPT along with examples to help you get started. So note that in this video I am using ChatGPT Plus, that is paid version, which offers better performance and faster responses. So keep that in mind if you want a similar experience. The first way is content writing services. One of the easiest ways to make money with ChatGPT is that offering content writing services. Many businesses, websites and bloggers need content regularly, and you can use ChatGPT to help create high quality articles, blog posts or product description. Let us say you want to create a blog post or an article on a particular topic, then you can ask ChatGPT to create a blog post on that. For example, here in a ChatGPT, let us write the prompt. So let us say and just submit the prompt. And look at here the response of the ChatGPT. ChatGPT basically create the blog post with 2000 words, and it basically follows the standards. And if you want to update this content, you can just select that particular content. For example, let us say I want to update this content. You can just select it, and here you can ask ChatGPT to update this particular line. Okay, you can copy this content, review this content and modify as per your requirement, and then submit this blog post to the client. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to provide the content writing services. Okay, and you can also use the different platforms to write the blog posts. For example, you can use the Medium. So Medium is the platform on which you can publish the blog posts or the articles, and you can earn money. For example, the Medium has partner program, so you can use this partner program to add the blog posts or the articles, and you can earn the money. Okay, and also a lot of bloggers and websites offer guest posting, so you can go ahead and reach out to them, and you can write the blog post or the articles on their websites or their platform, and you can earn the money accordingly. Or you can go to the freelancing websites, like you can go to the Upwork. So in Upwork you can find the work like content writing services, or you can also go to the Fiverr. So these are the freelancing platforms on which you can find the work for writing the content. And also one more important platform is Freelancer. So these are the platforms on which you can provide the content writing services. So just go ahead and explore these different platforms to get the work. The second way is copywriting for ads and social media. So another profitable way to use ChatGPT is by offering copywriting services. Many businesses need a catchy taglines, ad copy and social media captions to engage their audience. Imagine a small business owner wants you to create a social media captions for their organic skin brand. Then you can take the help of ChatGPT to write the captions for that particular brand. For example, let us say you have a client and you have a requirement to write the captions for an organic skincare brand. Write captions for an organic skincare brand in Instagram, and just submit this prompt. And here we go. You can see the response of the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT provides the captions focused on this particular topic. Well, in social media there are a lot of businesses, brands or influencers who want to manage their social medias. So you can go ahead and reach out to them, and you can work for them. So you can use ChatGPT to create a social media post, reply to the post comments, and you can create the captions. Okay, so ChatGPT will help you to perform all these kind of tasks. Next way is creating ebooks and digital products. You can also make a money by creating and selling ebooks or digital products. ChatGPT can help you generate content quickly, which you can organize into an ebook and sell on the platforms like Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. Well, ChatGPT can help you to create a ebook from start to end. For example, you can ask ChatGPT in the prompt like, I want to create a ebook on Python programming. So can you guide on this? Let us see the ChatGPT response. So ChatGPT gives a step-by-step process. So define the audience and goals, structure the ebook. So this is the ebook index, and then write chapter by chapter, add exercises and quizzes, design the ebook. And it also provides the tools to design the ebook, and it also provides the instructions to add the cover page and table of contents. So this is how ChatGPT will guide you to write the ebooks. Okay, and then you can also ask ChatGPT to create the content for each topic. For example, write a content for chapter 1, Introduction to Python. Let us see the response of the ChatGPT, and look at here. ChatGPT is generating the content for this chapter 1. Next, you can just copy this content and paste it in your book. Okay, so similarly you can ask ChatGPT to produce the content for all the chapters, and you can just copy the content, review the content, and modify the content as per your requirement, and finally just export this content as a ebook and sell that ebook on the Amazon Kindle or the Gumroad platform. Okay, so this is how you can use ChatGPT to create the ebooks. Next, let us take a look into the one more way, creating your own website and monetizing blog posts. Well, another great way to earn money with ChatGPT is by creating your own website and writing the blog post. Once your website has enough content and traffic, you can monetize it through ads, applied marketing, or sponsored posts. Well, I have a lot of my websites and I write a lot of blog posts. For example, let me share with you my websites. So Java Guides is my website on which I have published around 7,000 articles or blog posts, and I use ChatGPT to produce the initial draft of the blog post. So in this way you can create your own website, write the blog post, and you monetize the website using ads or applied marketing or the sponsored post. So if you have a good amount of traffic on your website, then you can use AdSense to monetize your website, and you can produce the revenue. Okay, next let me show you one more my website, rameshpadtare.com. so this is my recent website, and look at here, I have written around 5,000 blog posts on this website, and I have monetized this website with the ads, and I'm also earning decent money from this blog as well. You can see the ads. And let me show my one more website, that is multiplechoicequestions.org. so this is one of the website that I have recently published, and I also monetize this website with AdSense. Okay, so this is how you can create your own website and start publishing the blog post. And in order to create the blog post, you can take the help from the ChatGPT. So don't spend a lot of time on writing the blog post. You can take the help from ChatGPT to create the initial draft of the blog post, and then you can review it, and you can change the blog post as per your requirement, and then publish that blog post on your website. Okay, so don't just publish the content generated by ChatGPT directly on the blog, on the website or a blog. You have to first review the content and then modify that content as per your requirement, and then publish that content to your website or a blog. Okay, so AI generated content may decline your Google search. That's why make sure to modify the content as per your requirement before publishing the content on your website. Alright, perfect. The next way is offering chatbot solutions. Well, nowadays the businesses are increasingly using chatbots for customer support, and you can make money by offering chatbot solutions using ChatGPT. You can set up the chatbot for a website or a small business and charge for your services. The one more way is providing language translation services. If you know the multiple languages, you can offer translation services using ChatGPT. While ChatGPT may not replace the professional translators, it can help speed up the process, especially for informal or quick translations. For example, let us say you want to translate your article from English to Spanish. Then you can just write the prompt like this, and you can just paste the English article content over here so that the ChatGPT can translate the English content to Spanish, and just submit the prompt. And here you can see ChatGPT basically translate your English article into Spanish. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to provide the language translation services. Okay, so you can just check out the freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. So over there you can find the work on translating the languages. Okay, so just go ahead and explore like how you can provide the language translation services on these freelancing websites. Okay, perfect. So these are the different ways you can earn the money using ChatGPT. Okay, so let me quickly recap the different ways to make money using ChatGPT that we have discussed in this video. So we have seen how to offer the content writing services using ChatGPT. We have also seen how to provide the copywriting for ads and social media using ChatGPT, how to create and sell ebooks or digital products using ChatGPT, how to create your own website and monetize the blog post using ChatGPT, how to set up the chatbot solutions for businesses, how to offer the language translation services. So with the right approach, detailed prompts, and ChatGPT paid version, you can maximize your productivity and start generating income online. Alright, so that's it for today's video on how to make money using ChatGPT. By using these smart methods and providing value to your clients, you can start generating income right away. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. And if you have any questions or want tips on using ChatGPT, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.